Alright, so if you want better control while gaming on BlueStacks, yeah, customizing your controls can make a huge difference. Let's set this up step by step. First, launch any game inside BlueStacks where you want to change the controls. Now look for the keyboard icon or controls menu on the side toolbar and click it. Click Edit Controls to start customizing your layout. You can drag and move buttons anywhere on the screen to match your playstyle. You can also add new controls like tap, swipe, or joystick from the control options.
Click or choose and assign
a keyboard key to it. Once you're done, save your control setup so it's ready every time you play. Now test your controls in-game and adjust anything if needed. And yeah, that's how you change controls in BlueStacks. Once you customize it, your gameplay feels way more natural.